How tall does grass grow before folding over? Most people take grass for granted. It is everywhere, and from a distance it all looks just about the same. But different grasses grow to a different height, which means some have to be mowed more frequently than others, and mowed back to a different height as well. Add to that the fact that not all grass will grow in all the different areas, and you have a lot to think about when choosing simple grass. Types. Most grasses will grow to between 18 to 24 inches before it folds over. However, there are creeping varieties that stay short, do not bend over at all and do not need to be mowed. Tall growing grasses include Kentucky bluegrass, which should be cut to 1.5 to 2.5 inches, red fescue, which should be cut back to about 3 inches, Ryan's oisia grass, as low as 1.5 inches. Bahia grass needs to be mowed to a height of 2 to 4 inches. Bermuda grass can be cut as low as 1/8 of an inch. Buffalo grass should be cut to about 2 to 3 inches in height. Centipede grass will grow to a medium height, lower than the 18 inches, but taller than the short grasses. It should not be cut lower than 2 inches. Short grasses include creeping fescue, carpet grass, and grasses that grow so low they are called no-mow grasses. Features. Bluegrass will go dormant, but not die off in extreme hot or cold weather. It does not like shady areas. Red fescue is hardy and can take cold weather. Ryegrass grows well where it gets neither too hot or too cold. Thermal blue is a new variety of bluegrass that can grow in the hotter climates. Zoysia grass is good for homes by the seashore because it can tolerate the salt water. Bermuda grass has many different varieties, some love the heat and some the cold. Buffalo grass does not have a root system and can easily be removed from where it is not wanted. Carpet grass grows best in wet, sandy soil. Centipede grass looks good and does not need a lot of care. Function. Grass does more than give a good appearance to a home, and can help prevent erosion as well. The no-mow grasses do an especially good job of preventing erosion, because they can be planted on slopes where other grasses will not grow. Geography. Not all grasses will grow just anywhere. There are some that will die off in cold weather and not come back, and those that cannot take heat. Grass choices for the parts of the country with cold winters and warm to hot summers are bluegrass, red fescue, and ryegrass. In parts of the country with hot summers and mild winters, the choice for grasses are bahia, Bermuda, buffalo, carpet, and centipede. Considerations. How high a grass will grow before folding over is one thing to take into consideration when picking the right type of grass for you. It makes a difference in how frequently it will need to be mowed, and that is a big consideration for many homeowners. The types that do not grow too tall are the perfect answer for those who do not have the time or the money to frequently mow their lawns.